Hello viewers, welcome to EduTube. In this lesson, we are going to learn multiplication of 2 and 3 digit numbers. Multiplication of 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now, before we move on solving some problems on multiplications of 2 and 3 digit numbers, it is important that we learn some keywords or terminologies in multiplication. As you can see on your screen now, we have 3 times 4 equals 12. And 3 is labeled multiplicand, while 4 is labeled multiplier, and 12 is labeled product. Now, 3 is a number we are multiplying or reproducing in a number of places. So such numbers that we want to multiply or reproduce in a number of places, we call them multiplicands. And then we have times 4. So 4 is a number we are using to multiply 3. So such number that we are using to multiply another number, we call such numbers multipliers. We call them multipliers. And the result of multiplying two numbers, which is the multiplicand and the multiplier, the result of multiplying such numbers or the two numbers is called product. So 3 here is the multiplicand, which is the number we want to multiply. 4 here is the multiplier, which is the number that we are using to multiply another number. And 12 here is the result of multiplying the two numbers, which is the product. Now, having said that, I'm going to teach you or show you various ways of multiplying numbers. And the first one we have here is repeated addition method. And under it, in the bracket, we have small multiplier. Now, what does that mean? It simply means that we are going to be using repeated addition for numbers with small multiplier between 1 and 5. That is number below 6. So, let's go straight to the first example. We have 32 times 3. 32 times 3. Literally, this could be translated or interpreted to mean that 32 in 3 places. 32 in 3 places. So going by the word repeated addition, since we said 32 in 3 places, so that simply means we do 32 plus 32 plus 32. So you could see we repeated the addition. That is why it is called repeated addition method. So 32 plus 32 plus 32. 32 was repeated in 3 places. Now I'm going to rearrange this number to make the addition easy. I'll write 32, 32, and 32. I'll put my plus here and rule my line. Now let's add 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will give us what? 6. And 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that will give us what? 9. Meaning that 32 times 3 is 96. Now example number 2, we have 114 times 5. Just like we've said in the first example, 114 times 5 basically or literally means 114 in 5 places. 114 added together in 5 places. So I will write 114 plus 114 plus 114 plus 114 plus 114 in 5 places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's add them together. 4 plus 4, that will give us 8. 8 plus 4, that will give us 12. 12 plus 4, that will give us 16. 16 plus 4, that will give us 20. Now 20, I'll write down the 0 and pick up what? 2 up here. So 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus all this 1 will give us what? 7. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 5. So I will have 5. So 114 times 5, the result is 570. Don't forget, 114 is the multiplicand, 5 is the multiplier, and then 570 is the product of 114 times 5. So that is that about repeated addition multiplication.